Okay, let's look at our scenario here. It says Mr. R brought 2 Legos to the party. It says Miss Hester brought 3 more Legos to the party. We want to figure out how many Legos are at the party now. So let's model this problem using our stop motion animator. So the first thing I'm going to do over here, I've got Mr. R right here, and you can see Miss Hester in her ski gear right there. I'm going to take a picture. Okay, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to model this first part. Mr. R brought 2 Legos to the party. So I'm going to pick up Mr. R, and you can see I picked him up. He's right here in my hand, but the shadow of him is still there. But that's just to help me know where to put him. So I'm going to put him back down there, but I adjusted his legs and arms to make it look like he's bending over to grab something. Then I capture another picture, and then there he is. So now I can pick him up again. I'm going to adjust him just a little bit. I'm going to make it look like he's walking forward. And now I'm going to capture another picture, and there he moved. Okay. Now I'm going to have him pick up his 2 Legos. So I'm going to take him there. And if I take my Legos, and if I put them right over his hand, just like that, and fit them on his hand just like a glove, they stick. I'll put both of the Legos he's going to bring to the party on his hands. And there he is. He's got like Lego hands now. Put him back where he was there, except now he's got Lego hands. And take a picture. There he is. And now I'm going to bend him up because now he's picked up the Legos. Face him forward there, capture a picture, and just move him just a little bit, just like they showed us in our video. And take another picture. And you can start to see, look how many pictures I've already taken. It's going to take us a lot of pictures to make this work. This time I'm going to move his legs a little bit, put him back down. Notice how I didn't move him very far from my shadow to where he's at now. Because we're going to take a lot of pictures or a lot of frames so that when we play it all the way through, it's going to look like he is moving all the way through, just like he's really walking. Okay, and then move him a little bit again. Oop, he almost tripped. He kind of fell there. Okay, take a picture, move him again, put him right here. And this time I'm going to move him to where he's bending down. And then he's putting them down. I'm going to take these off his hands and put them right down where he bent over there. There's our 2 Legos that Mr. R brought to the party. Snap a picture, he put them down. Then I'm going to have him just stand up and look at what he's brought to the party. There you go. So now if I want to go through and play look at all these picture frames I took just to move him that little bit. Now I'm going to press play. I want to see what it looks like. So cool. He brought him over. Okay, I'm going to pause our video right now, and I'm going to have Miss Hester bring hers over, but I'm not going to have you watch me do the whole process. Okay, so now I went ahead and I took all the pictures that I could to show that Miss Hester brought 3 more Legos to the party. So if you look, I added a whole bunch more pictures or frames to our animation, and that was me creating the effect of Mrs. Hester bringing these 3 more Legos. So let me hit play, and we'll play through the whole show. So Mr. R brought 2 Legos. And Mrs. Hester, she's a pretty good skier, she brought 3 more. Okay, so now, right, Mr. R, he brought 2 Legos to the party. And then Mrs. Hester brought 3 more. How many Legos are at the party now? Well, they're all there. 1, 2 plus 1, 2, 3 equals 5 Legos to the party. I wonder if we can build an equation that shows the same thing that we just demonstrated with our stop motion.